and 9 plus from the 31. I formation, toss left. Henderson has it. Treveyon gets outside. Goodbye to the 50, to the 40, to the 30, to the 20, to the 10, to the house. Touchdown, Patriots! Welcome to Raymond James Stadium in Tampa, Florida, where today the 7-2 New England Patriots reach Week 10 with an encounter with the 6-2 Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Have another day, man. Communicate, have some fun, man. What I mean, what I think, what you think? I ain't gonna say much today. We came out here on the mission. Every man right on the mission. That's to get number 8. Now I know I talk a lot. Yeah, I'll be more, one more, a million. But right now, this is the only thing that matters. Stop it. Now let's go to work. Gang on 3, 1, 2, 3, man.
Way more ops, boys. We got a one-score game. We just got to slow our heart rate down, and then we're going to go make the next play we need.
Mayfield takes the snap. He drops back. He rolls right. His eyes downfield. He's being pressured by Chaisson. He escapes to his left. Chaisson's going to catch him from behind and make the sack. Back at the 20-yard line. Good hustle by Caleb on Chaisson.
Hey, keep working. Oh, we right there, buddy. Crack that code. Get up and down the sideline, fella. We ain't back. Okay? Let him get Craig Dow's going to score the next time, okay?
Live formation and alerted the line by Drake Maye. Play fake to Henderson, steps up, lobs the throw to right. It's caught and run by Kyle Williams. Peeling away to the 40, 35-30, 25-20. Speeding down the right sideline to the end zone. Touchdown, Patriots! You gotta be kidding me.
You can smell the hands on. You can smell the hands on. It's hot. Let's go.
He makes you do something. Then we do it. We'll see if he wants to keep doing it. You know what I mean? That's how this game's got to go. Okay, good job. Good protection.
Hey, keep going, boys. We this close. We this close.
Westover, Hooper right, Henderson right of Maye. Short motion by Diggs, snap to Maye, looks left, throws it to the end zone for Diggs. Reaches shot, touchdown with the catch. Touchdown, Patriots.
What a catch! Holy crap! What balls!
Black, right there. Black uniform.
Handoff with a run up the middle by Henderson. Breaks it to the 40, 35-30. A sprint to the 20. He's gaining ground to the 10, to the 5. He dives to the end zone. Outruns Winfield for touchdown, Patriots.
Oh man, I was shut up.
Nice job. Hell of a job, 32. Don't let up now. Don't relax now. I know my dog got her. Oh, wait. Ryan's crying at the crib right now. He's crying at the crib right now. Come on. Good job. Come on. Hey, that was fast. Hey, right now, don't get comfortable. Good job. Keep grinding, man. Keep grinding. Hell of a job. Little detail, okay? Come on. Make the play to help us win.
From the 27 of New England, snap to Mayfield, a blitz is coming. Mayfield's being pressured. Mayfield's being sacked. Chaisson was the first one there. We got it away. As he was being rounded up, the Patriots make the tackle nonetheless on Rashad at the 30-yard line.
What y'all want to talk about now?
Maye under center. Second down, I formation, toss left. Henderson has it. Treveyon gets outside. Goodbye to the 50, to the 40, to the 30, to the 20, to the 10, to the house. Touchdown, Patriots!
Let's go! know you put in the work. That's how it's gonna pan out, bro. And we playing together, bro. That's the most important part. And then one person sticking out, we all doing it together.